Hey everyone, what's up? My name is Karyn and welcome to Spiritually Ascending. I believe there's no accidents, no coincidences. So if you found this channel, here we are. Welcome. On this channel, I will be sharing spirituality, holistic healing practices, and how we can lift our vibration and connect to closer to God, Source, our higher selves, for healing and for living a happy, healthy, and free life. Again, no coincidences, no accidents that we found each other. We found each other. Thank you for being here. I hope to see you throughout the channels and the videos and the lives. And I welcome you with all of my heart. Much love and light. Namaste.